Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Fiji, the Honorable Prime Minister, the Speaker of the Parliament, the Acting Chief Justice. May I also take this opportunity to acknowledge the presence of the Honorable Prime Minister of Cook Islands and current Pacific Islands Forum Chair, the Ambassador of Israel to Fiji and the Pacific, Ambassador Rosa, members of Parliament, the Diplomatic Corps, representatives of international and regional organizations, distinguished guests. The accomplishments of the State of Israel over the past 75 years since its founding in 1948 are deeply admirable and truly miraculous. Israel's population at its founding in 1948 was 806,000, similar and or near to Fiji's current population today. With the challenge of the lack of natural resources and in a tough regional neighborhood, the early days were grim. Today, with a population of nearly 10 million people, Israel's technological prowess is revealed in a booming world-class technology sector that has innovated out of necessity. Israel's strong economy reflects the resilience of its people in weathering geopolitical conflicts and development challenges, and not only surviving, but thriving. When Fiji gained independence in 1970, we joined a growing number of countries that recognized the State of Israel. Today, our long and close friendship spans 53 years of partnership and progress, underpinned by values of courage, resilience, and determination in the face of adversity, and grounded on our shared faith and mutual respect. Fiji places great value in the peace and stability of Israel and the wider Middle East region. Testament to this, Fiji has contributed and continues to contribute to UN peacekeeping operations in the Middle East. We are inspired by Israel's steadfast commitment to enhancing its friendship with not only Fiji, but the Blue Pacific continent. I acknowledge the ongoing cooperation that we share with the State of Israel at bilateral and multilateral fronts. To mark a new chapter in the friendship between our countries and the region, the Fiji government has already announced and has reaffirmed its intention to establish a Fiji embassy in Israel within the next 2 years. Fiji believes that there are many benefits to establishing a physical presence in Israel, and in addition to strengthening the friendship, it presents us with the opportunity to work closely together and deepen the strategic relationship on all fronts, including the reinforcement of ties between Fiji and the State of Israel. Please refill your glasses, if I may ask, and I will propose a toast. As we build on the existing cooperation to take us to greater heights, we congratulate the State of Israel on its 75th anniversary. May God bless Fiji, and may God bless the State of Israel. Cheers. Ladies and gentlemen.